Building Python 2.5 with full SQLite3 as a user on Linux. This is a bit of a complex problem, at least for me. Here it goes. I'm working as a user on Linux server, and it's safe to assume that installing any package not already installed is simply impossible. Also, I need to set up working Python 2.5, not installed, with working Sqlite3 library, SQLite in any form not installed. What I can do is, 1. Compile Python 2.5 and make it work. 2. Compile amalgamation of Sqlite3. Anyway, Python 2.5 is supposed to have interaction with Sqlite3 built in, pysqlite. It seems true enough. However, importing Sqlite3, import Sqlite3 fails because, in the end, it is impossible to import _Sqlite3. Some Googling lead me to understand that while pysqlite may be built in, the SQLite is not. Therefore, I assume that I need to built in locally SQLite and somehow make these two pieces of software interact. Fair enough. I'm able to, I hope so, compile amalgamation to shared object, but it seems messy. Should I rename sqlite3.so_SQLite3 and throw it somewhere? It seems fishy a bit. I tried it anyway and get an error. Dynamic module does not define init function, init_SQLite3. At this point I'm a bit stuck. I'm not too familiar with building/compiling stuff. I admit that sudo apt-get, sudo yum made me lazy, but for some reason it is not an option at the moment. Help appreciated.
First download, build and install SQLite3 with a prefix. Then build Python with same prefix. It will find SQLite installation and will build _SQLite3 module.